Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the triangular moving average indicator for MT4 and MT5. This double smoothed moving average calculates the average of already averaged price points, giving more weight to middle data and creating a smoother line that filters out noise and short-term volatility. In this video, you will see how the TMA is calculated, how it compares to SMA and EMA, and which trading strategies are described. TMA or Triangular Moving Average Indicator calculates the average price of an asset twice over a specified number of price points or price bars, making it essentially a simple moving average of already averaged points. The TMA line is formed by first calculating a simple moving average of previous price points, then calculating the average of those SMAs to get TMA values using the formula TMA equals sum of SMA values divided by number of values. The indicator gives more weight to data points lying in the middle, and because of the double averaging, the TMA line is smoother than SMA or EMA lines and does not react to changing prices as quickly. We can see the indicator already in a separate window on the chart, and it's quite easy to interpret. The triangular moving average displays as a smooth line that moves more gradually than traditional moving averages, making it less responsive but more stable. The main purpose is to remove noise and short-term volatility from price action, allowing traders to differentiate trend reversals from ranging markets. As the TMA is less responsive to price movements, it moves and changes directions only when there's a strong and prolonged price move in any direction. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. For the inputs, you can see we have quite a number of them. Order time frames, select order time frames to show. HPOS MTF, VPOS MTF, font size MTF, corner MTF, and the list goes on. We can also customize our preferred colors and choose our preferred trading time frames as well. As for who is for, the triangular moving average is suitable for traders who want to filter out short-term volatility and focus on strong, sustained trends while avoiding whipsaws in ranging markets. The TMA is a lagging indicator that gives signals after the trend has already started, so it is advisable to use it in conjunction with a quicker moving average indicator like SMA or EMA. Alternatively, traders can use multiple TMAs with different period values and use crossover points to pinpoint buy and sell signals while keeping an eye on price action such as key support and resistance levels and candlestick patterns. You can download the triangular moving average indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how double smoothing creates a more stable moving average that responds only to strong and prolonged price moves. If you like smooth moving averages that filter out short-term noise, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.